Now here I am present a math which came in 2014 gate entrance. The general solution of the differential equation dy dx equal to cos under first bracket x plus y with c as a constant, and here four options are available and one we have to choose. That will be right answer. Clear? So first we take the equation. We take the equation dy dx equal to cos x plus y as given in our question. Now we replace x plus y by a small variable t or z, a variable z. Clear? Z. So now differentiation both side with respect to x, we get 1 plus dy dx equal to dz dx Clear? So dy dx equal to, dy dx equal to dz dx minus 1. Clear? Our aim is to replace dy dx by dz dx and x plus y by z. Clear? So this one equation 1, so this one equation 1, so this one equation, this one 2, this one 3, this one 3. So 1, 2 and 3 we can get dy dx replaced by dz dx minus 1 cos, and from x plus y, and x plus y equal to z, so cos z. Now dz dx equal to 1 plus cos z. Clear? 1 plus cos z equal to how much? Equal to 2 cos square z by 2, 2 cos square z by 2, as the formula is, 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta. Clear? So here z and now z by 2. Clear? So dz dx equal to 2 cos square z by 2. Now we use cross multiplication method, and dz by 2 cos square z by 2 equal to dx. Now we take integration both side, and now half sec square z by 2 dz equal to integration of dx. Now after using integration, we can write this one is tan t by 2, as the differentiation of tan sec square x. Clear? So integration of sec square z by 2, half of sec square z by 2 is equal to tan z by 2, and the integration of dx is x plus c. Now we replace z by x plus y from equation of 2, so x plus y by 2 equal to x plus c, where c is arbitrary constant, and this one is the option D. So option D is right answer.